For the past couple of weeks, I've been giving this Mercedes the royal treatment. And you might ask, well, Kent, why? Well, number one, it's my car. And number two, it's Piper, my pristine 300 TD wagon. And I know there are a lot of turbo diesel station wagon lovers out there. But what I've been doing is going through the car, replacing a lot of parts, wanting to make this really a nice car. And today I've been working on the brake system. So I'm not going to skimp on the brake system, okay? What I've done is I've pulled up some brand new Atte rear calipers and some Zimmerman rotors. Now these are one of the last rotors that are actually made in Germany, and they are really high quality. So I want to kind of show you what these Zimmerman rotors look like, because I may have a special for some of you watching this video. Now I should mention that I don't think Zimmerman is the only good rotor out there. I've used other rotors on a number of different cars. I'm just saying that from my experience, Zimmerman is the Mercedes of rotors, if I could say that. But the quality, the fit, the finish is just amazing on these. This is, of course, a rear rotor, and here you're looking at a front rotor. Look at the coating. They call it their Z coating. But this special coating I found holds up better than any other coating on any other rotors I've used. So if you live in a salt area, you want to use Zimmerman rotor so these don't get rusty. But man, these things run true, and the life on these is amazing. You couple these with some high quality ceramic brake pads and you've got quite a combination. That's what I'm going to do here. But just take a look at how nice this is going to look when I get these new Atte calipers bolted up with these new Zimmerman rotors and ceramic pads. Of course, I'm going to replace the brake hoses as well. That's something that old Piper's getting here, but take a look at this car, and you can see if I eventually will pressure wash under here and how nice this is underneath with the original paint. There's absolutely no spots or rust on this car at all. Here I am going to do an unboxing video on a set of brake pads. Isn't that exciting? Man, it's the most exciting thing ever. I've got this box and I'm going to open it up and show you some really cool brake pads. Sorry. But I thought I would do this because even I'm impressed when I get these Brembo premium ceramic brake pads. Now watch this. Okay, we're going to ease the lid open. And right there we see a picture of a guy. His name's Diego from Research and Development. So we get to see a picture of the guy who even designed these pads. That's pretty cool, right? But look at this. I've never seen this with any other type of brake pad. When you pull these out, look at the wrapping. This is a moisture absorbent material that is wrapped over the pads and then rubber banded. Now let's fold this out and fold that out and fold that out. And then we're going to fold this over and out, and look at that. Look at those pads. Isn't that cool? Look at the color. I mean, I just wanted you to see what extremes that Brembo's done to go to some really nice brake pads. I have used these a couple times in the past, and I'm putting them on my 300 TD wagon. So I wanted to show you this because as far as brake pads, I've never quite seen anything so nice. And they even include metal-free permanent lubricant for quieting your pads, and they even have instructions on where to put this lubricant. I want you to be sure and email Diego and tell him we're really impressed with his packaging.